In this video, I will show you how to add patterns on Clothing Affinity Designer 2. First, select your image. Now take the selection brush tool and select the area you need to add a pattern or graphic. After selection, if everything is okay, then go to Refine and keep output as a new layer. Now bring your pattern image or graphic image and make some adjustments and repositions. After that, put this layer slightly on the right side as a clipping mask, like this. This now changes the blending mode to multiply. Optional, if you need it, you can reduce its opacity. Now, to export this image, go to File, Export. If you found this video helpful, then watch the next video that appears on your screen. You will enjoy it. Also, check out the amazing video playlist organized on this channel. Please leave your useful likes, shares, and comments. Subscribe to this channel. See you again.